Hello friends! In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to crochet a seahorse easy pattern for beginners. This little sea animal is about 10 centimeters and can be used as a click-clack toy, as a keychain, or if you put a magnet inside it as a fridge magnet. If you want to use it as an applique crochet seahorse, make only one side and continue directly with the second part of the video. To crochet this clicker seahorse, I used 3-ply yarn number 3, 2.5mm crochet hook, 7mm eyes, and 5 cm hair clip. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles button. We'll start this free crochet sea animal pattern with a slip knot. Chain 14. In third chain from the crochet hook, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Next, do 1 half double crochet stitch. Do 8 double crochet stitches. Next, do 1 half double crochet stitch. In last chain, do 5 half double crochet stitches. Now we will work on the other side of the chains, and we'll do 1 half double crochet stitch. Do 8 double crochet stitches. Next, do 1 half double crochet stitch. In last one, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Now we will end this piece with an invisible join on top of first stitch. Instead of this, you can do 1 slip stitch and fasten off. Hide the tail of yarn and make a second piece, repeating the pattern until the join part, but don't fasten off. For the second piece, join with 1 slip stitch on top of first stitch. Now, take both pieces, put them back to back, and work inserting the crochet hook in both. Do 3 slip stitches. Do 1 single crochet stitch. Do 2 half double crochet stitches. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 2 half double crochet stitches. Do 1 single crochet stitch. Do 3 slip stitches. Do 1 half double crochet stitch. Chain 12. Start with second chain from the crochet hook and do 10 slip stitches. Do 1 half double crochet stitch. Work back on body and do 13 slip stitches. Insert the hair clip if you want this lobster to be a clicker. Then in next one do 1 half double crochet. In same space, do 1 double crochet stitches. In next one, do 3 triple crochet stitches. In next one, do 1 triple crochet stitch. In same space, do 1 double crochet stitch. Chain 6. Starting with 4th chain from the crochet hook, do 3 half double crochet stitches. Do 1 slip stitch in next one and fasten off. Take second color and join in first slip stitch from the tail and chain 1 to secure the yarn. Repeat 9 times. Do 1 slip stitch in next one. Chain 3. In same space, do 1 slip stitch. Do 1 slip stitch in next one. Repeat 8 more times. Now we will do the dorsal fin of the seahorse. Do 1 slip stitch in next one. Chain 7. In 4th chain from the crochet hook, do 1 slip stitch. Repeat 4 times. In same space on the body, do 1 triple crochet hook. Chain 3, then do 1 slip stitch in the base of this chains. This is called a picot. Repeat 3 more times. Chain 4. Do 1 slip stitch in same space. Next, do 3 slip stitches. Repeat 7 times. Do 1 slip stitch. Chain 3. Do 1 slip stitch in same space. Repeat 6 more times, then fasten off. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and don't forget that if you want to support my work, you can like and hype the video to help me in the YouTube algorithm so that this cute seahorse reaches as many people as possible. Hide the tail of yarn, add the eyes, and you are done. Thanks for watching and see you soon.